My name is Micaiah Stevens. I wanted to talk about something I've been learning from SharpAccent and showcase what I've been doing with it. So we're talking about the strategy pattern. I should point out, this is a pseudo strategy pattern for me, and I should probably learn a lot more about this because it seems like it's really cool for what I've been working on for a while now. Anyways, the strategy pattern is on his GitHub, and then he talks about this. But one of the things is it's a car, and then a car has brakes. So what we've created is this super secret project where you have a these are I need to separate out these better, but these levels are unit types. So we have an alpha unit and a beta unit. Beta unit is actually a building, and buildings don't have training right now, so that's why. They also, oh, I guess they do have time, but anyway, so what we're trying to do is we're trying to change this level. So we now increased our level to 7, so we want to click apply. Um, even though this relies on, even though this relies on two separate modules, we need to only change, we realized we need to just change the unit module here. So this is like a game unit, but we have a unit module which just displays the name, a couple facts about it. Then we have this tokens module, I should say, tokens module, a level module, a tokens training module, and then a training module. So you sort of have, anyways. So we have, and this other really cool thing I want to talk about is, so I have this game unit prefab right here. Oops. I have a game unit prefab, but then I also have created this non-prefab, which is really helpful because just the building prefab here. We know we need to change the module of the unit. So you look at the module here. It has a very simple. That's kind of what I've been. Maybe that's a pseudo strategy pattern, but I have this really tiny module. That's why I thought module was such a great name. It has these 3 text elements you can see here, and an apply button. So we know that we need to change. Let's see, under here we forgot to under the button we forgot to add a click event here. So we just need to go through here, add the module. It's because it's this kind of self-contained module, and then click apply. And then that that makes this module prefab set up. And then we come through here and we hit level 7, click apply, and now we've applied our level changes, which is really cool. So it sort of allows you to create this level module new, that as soon as a change was made, it would say, hey, I now need to change from 6 to 7, and then I need to apply the changes. And I'm using these scriptable objects right here. So here's the scriptable object for alpha, and here's beta, and one of the variables in here for beta is, it happens to say it's a building. And since it says it's a building, when it loads the module, it also knows I don't need this training module because there's no training on buildings right now. Anyways, my name is Micaiah. It's just wanted to be a quick demo of how I've been using this really cool I'm calling it a pseudo strategy pattern, but it's basically, I'm starting to get down to, these are just this is a pretty good example for this really too, where this is like an entire game unit, which is a scriptable object, and then it has these modules of what it does with that scriptable object data. And the level data knows that it needs to change the max level and the current level, and then it needs to push those changes back and forth between the scriptable object. And I think it's great too for that. So anyways, thanks very much. I appreciate it all, and I'll see you guys next time.